Welcome to my new video. Today we are going to discuss Geographical Indication, GI, in India, a special status that protects the uniqueness of certain products linked to specific regions. Have you ever wondered why Darjeeling tea, Mysore silk, or champagne are famous worldwide? That's because of Geographical Indication, GI. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about GI, its objectives, eligibility, registration procedure, and more. Make sure to watch till the end. What is a geographical indication, GI? Concerning goods, a geographical indication is an indicator that identifies goods such as agricultural goods, natural goods, or manufactured goods as originating or created in the territory of a country or a region. A region or locality within that territory where a particular quality, reputation, or another attribute of such items is essentially attributable to its geographical origin. And in the case of manufactured items, one might attribute it to its manufacturing process. The majority of the operations related to the manufacture, processing, or preparation of the items in question take place in, as the case may be, such territory, region, or locality. A geographical indication indicates that some commodities originated in or are created in a specific region. Champagne is a typical example of an international geographical indication. The goods can be natural, manufactured, or agricultural. Gir Kesar mango, Balia wheat, Kinhal toys, Nashik Valley wine, Monsoon Malabar Arabica coffee, Malabar pepper, Aleppi green cardamom, and Nilgiri's orthodox tea are among the commodities that have recently been accorded geographical indication designation by the Indian government. Darjeeling tea, Mysore silk, Paithani cerise, Kota Masuria, Kolhapuri chapels, Bikaneri bhujia, and Agra petha are a few other examples. Each of the aforementioned commodities, which have been accorded geographical indication status, has unique characteristics relating to their respective regions. Monsoon Malabar coffee, for example, has a yellowish tinge from exposure to the sea winds for roughly 6 months of the year. Thalassery and other northern areas of Kerala are the only places where Malabar pepper is grown. Its dark brown peppercorns are larger than regular black peppercorns. It is the most aromatic and spicy pepper, as well as the most complex, balanced, and graceful. For more detailed information, visit the official website of VMK Professionals, www.vmkpros.com, and always review the latest amendments before execution, as laws keep changing frequently. The Geographical Indication Act, 1999, and its objectives. The 3 goals of the GI Act of 1999 are as follows. Its purpose is to prevent unauthorized person from exploiting geographical indicators and to safeguard customers from being duped. In India, there is a specific regulation governing the geographical identification of commodities that may adequately address the concerns of those who produce such goods. Exports of goods carrying the Indian geographical indication to be encouraged and promoted. The importance of registering geographical indications. As a result of this identification, the product gains a global reputation and goodwill, resulting in premium prices in national and worldwide markets. The recognition of a particular commodity as a geographical indication also confers the right to protection under the Geographical Indication Act, 1999, banning any third party from illegally using the GI-registered commodity. Geographical indication registration supports community ownership, which aids in the equitable sharing of the economic benefits derived from the commodity's commercialization among a larger group of people in that territory. Who is eligible to apply for GI? A geographical indicator can be registered by any union of persons or producers, or any organization or authority established by or under any law representing the concern of the producers of the concerned commodities. Any person who is claiming to be the producer of a specific good may apply for registration as an authorized user of a registered geographical indicator in writing, and the registered proprietor of the said GI may apply collectively. In the GI Act, the term producer refers to a person who creates something. Anyone who provides the goods in the case of agricultural goods, including the person who prepares or packages the goods. Anyone who exploits the goods in the case of natural goods. Anyone who creates or produces manufacture handicraft or industrial goods. Anyone who deals or trades in such production, exploitation, making, or manufacturing of the goods. Application process. 1. GI-A for single class registration. 2. GI-1B for single class registration, convention country. 3. GI-1C for the registration of a geographical indication in one application for goods falling in different classes. 4. GI-1D for the registration of a geographical indication in one application for goods falling in different classes, convention country. If necessary, a power of attorney need to be filed as well. An application must be signed by the applicant or their agent. For more detailed information, visit the official website of VMK Professionals, www.vmkpros.com, and always review the latest amendments before execution, as laws keep changing frequently. Applications content. The following prerequisites and instructions for processing a GI application should be included in the application. A statement as to how the geographical indicator aids in the identification of items as being from a specific region of the country or territory. Supplying a geographical map showing the location or region where items are manufactured. The several types of commodities. Producer's information. An affidavit detailing the applicant's claim to ownership of the GI. The GI's utilization or other attributes are measured against a set of benchmarks. The specifics of one-of-a-kind characteristics, the suggested boundaries written description, the growth characteristics of the GI that are significant to the application, 3 certified copies of the territories, regions, or localities map, details about any specific human skill related to the person, location and complete name of the organization and person's association, several producers, and if applicable, details of examination structures for monitoring GI use. Registration timeframe. A registered geographical designation has a 10-year validity period and can be renewed at any time by paying the renewal fee for the further period of 10 years from the date of expiration of original registration. Registration of some geographical indications is prohibited. The GI must fit within the scope of the definition of geographical indication outlined in Section 2(1)(e) of the GI Act to be registered. Furthermore, such a GI should not be subject to the prohibitions listed in Section 9, which are as follows: which has the potential to deceive or confuse, or whose application will violate any law in effect at the time, or which comprises or includes shady or unpleasant matter, or which contains or constitutes any element that is likely to offend the religious sensibilities of any group or community of Indian citizens, or which, on the other hand, will not be legally protected in a court, or which have been confirmed to be non-exclusive names or indications of goods and, as a result, are not or no longer guarded in their country of origin or have fallen out of use in that nation, or which, despite belonging to a different territory, region, or locality from which the goods come, falsely represents to the public that the goods originate in a different territory, area, or place, as the case may be. For more detailed information, visit the official website of VMK Professionals, vmk.com, and always review the latest amendments before execution, as laws keep changing frequently. Even though agriculture contributes around 18% of India's GDP, the country remains an agricultural economy. However, over 60% of India's population is still employed in the agricultural sector. That is why it is critical to have a law like the GI Act, 1999, and to make it even stronger and better to protect farmers' rights and prevent farmers and agricultural workers from being exploited. It would be injustice to say that the geographical indication tag would only a godsend to farmers in India. Trading and dealing with the other countries has also increasing day by day, and these tags helps us to prevent such goods from unauthorized use as well. That's all for this video. We hope you learned something new about geographical indications in India. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and comment your thoughts below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more informative videos.